at it again. That's right. I have been slacking on my videos because I've been really busy. But here we go. We got another video here, and new thing has happened. And I know I was gonna post a video of my truck being sold. Here's a couple of clips, and that day was sad. It was sad. After being with that truck for 12 years approximately, my kids were very young, and they're the reason I got it for, because they want to ride with me everywhere. And I had I'm eating some tacos here. I'm gonna show you real quick. There it goes. My chick just made me some tacos de barbacoa, so grab a quick bite while I'm waiting on. Anyways, we'll get to it right now. So yeah, I got that truck when my kids were young. They're the reason I got it for, and to cruise around and everything in it. Because back then I had a 2-door OBS. It wasn't working for us, so I got rid of the truck. Truck's gone. It went on to Dallas, so people in Dallas that follow me, I might see it out there. All right. I don't know how much the new owner's gonna drive it, but from the looks of it, he's not gonna drive it much. He loved the truck. So I'm just happy that a good person took over, and he's gonna take care of it and everything. So with that being said, now we're at a point where this one is sold. All right, they are picking it up right now as we speak. The guy's on his way. I just had it cleaned up for him. I took out all my stuff. And let me talk a little bit about this. I posted this car at a high price, thanks to the haters out there. Not to the haters, I'm sorry. I just had to say it. It just sounds good. But thanks to the low ballers out there. All right, and so that's the reason I posted this thing high. I know what I want for it. I wasn't gonna go any lower than that. I know I wasn't gonna be able to get it because it was a reasonable amount. All right, which they're taking it now, so it's a reasonable amount. Whoever picks it up, they know what they're getting. All right. If you see all my videos, everything that I've done with this car, I drive the car hard. All right, but just as I drive it hard and drive it everywhere, I mean, I dump money into this car the right way. I didn't go cheap on anything. I didn't take any shortcuts. So everything was done right, and that's what I wanted out of this car, and that's what I got. I got reliability. So this car, you go anywhere in this car. All right, considering the high mileage, I mean, the maintenance was all there every single time, and I never went cheap on anything. And I mean, even up to now, I just took it to Texas 2K, and I drove that car hard all the way out there on E and on regular 93. So this car, man, has been real good to me. I had so much fun in it. It's got me a lot of subscribers, a lot of new followers, and what's up, Ty? And so it's been real good to me. Met a whole lot of new people, good people, all over. So man, I'm really grateful for having that opportunity to own this car and make content for y'all, and just meet a whole lot of new people, and regardless of the look, all right, people like it, people don't, but it's gonna get your attention, and that's what I wanted. That's what I got. All right, so let's wait on the new owner for him to pick her up, and so I'll do a little quick walk around right before it takes off, just so you guys can get one last look and get a new get the last cold start on it. I haven't turned it on either. Just waiting for the new owner to get here, and I'm actually gonna let him start it up just so he can hear it start up and everything. So and these were one of the ones, and it always happens the same way. It's like you're not expecting, all of a sudden you get contacted. Hey, let me check out the car. Those are the ones that I take seriously. Everybody else that says, hey, I got this, make you an offer. I got so many offers made. That's all they do. You don't got the money in the bank, don't make offers. Simple as that. So anyways, I know how this process works. I've been in it for a while. I used to buy and sell a lot of stuff, so I still do. But we'll see. Let's see how this goes. And then I'm gonna start the new search for a new car. So be on the lookout for that. I'll be posting videos on it. And I don't know what I'm gonna get. I have a car in mind, and that's the only reason I got rid of everything. Plus, I didn't need so many cars. I just need a daily and a toy. That's it. So that's the way I moved. So we'll see, man. I don't know. We'll see. I got a couple of them lined up to go check out. Let's see what comes up. ¿Qué te pasa? ¿Por qué te miras tan triste?
Porque se va la razón por la que estoy contigo.
Ay, Dios mío. ¿Escucharon eso? Wow.
Lo que me enamoró.
Y lo manejaste bien fuerte. La última vez. Primera vez y última vez.
Ahora vendrá algo mejor.
Ay, Dios. Automático estándar.
Un Lexus.
Ay, un Lexus no. A ver qué gira. Ya llegó el chavo.
Ay, no cierra. Es ese.
Alright, so he's here, guys. Let's see what happens. El último cold start. ¿Qué te pasa? Oh my god. So that's it, guys. Car is gone. This kind of said a little before, but I'm about to go start car shopping and see what else we find. Alright, with that being said, catch you guys on the next one. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and stay put for the next one.